Hello friends and welcome back to Skill Bytes, where we make learning Excel simple and practical. In previous videos, we covered functions like sum, min, max and count, which help us perform calculations. But what if we have a huge data set and need to quickly find a specific value? This is where the VLOOKUP function comes in. It helps us search for a value in one column and return related information from another column. Let's understand this with a real world example using a sample employee dataset. Let's understand VLOOKUP function first. The VLOOKUP function stands for vertical lookup. It searches for a specific value in the first column of a table and returns data from another column in the same row. For this example, if you want to do VLOOKUP on employee ID, it will search for employee ID in this column and then it will return data from another column in the same row. The formula structure is equals to VLOOKUP, open bracket. When you type this VLOOKUP, it will show lookup value, table array, column index number and range of lookup. Lookup value is the value we want to find and table array is the table where we are searching. Column index number is the column number from which we need the result. Range lookup is used for exact matchup or approximate match. We use false for an exact match and true for an approximate match. Now let's apply this step by step. Wait a second. Let's say we want to find the salary of an employee using their employee ID. I will enter employee ID in cell G2 and apply VLOOKUP in H2 to find the salary. I will type equals to VLOOKUP and open bracket, then I have to search G2. This is G2, comma. Now I have to select the table array, which is this one from A1 to D6. This is our table array, comma, and the column number in which the required data is there, in which salary is there. For this, if employee ID is in first column, then salary is in fourth column, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will type 4 and false for exact match. I will close the bracket and enter. See, it will display salary of employee ID 101, which is 50,000. Now if you change the employee ID here, 103, let's do, it will show 70,000, which is the salary of employee ID 103. Now what if you want to find the department also? The department is in third column with reference to the employee ID. So what we will do, we will type equals to VLOOKUP, value to be searched, table array, column number 1, 2, 3. Department is in third column 3 and false for exact match. See, it will show IT for 103 employee ID, which is correct. We can change employee ID also. 105, it will show finance and salary will be 65,000, which is correct. So this is basic VLOOKUP function. In next lecture, we will learn about the different variations of VLOOKUP which we can use in our daily work life. That's it for today. Thank you.